Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up the Eero Pro 6 beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Eero Pro 6, start by unpacking the device. Make sure you have the Eero Pro 6 unit, power adapter, and Ethernet cable ready. Next, find a suitable location for your Eero Pro 6. It should be placed in a central location in your home for optimal coverage. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your modem. Then, connect the other end to the WAN port on the Eero Pro 6. Plug the power adapter into the Eero Pro 6 and then into a wall outlet. Wait a few moments for the Eero to boot up. Once the light on the Eero starts pulsing white, you are ready for the next step. Download the Eero app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account if you don't have one yet. If you already have an account, simply log in. The app will guide you through the setup process. Tap on Set up a new Eero network when prompted. Follow the prompts to scan the QR code on the bottom of the Eero Pro 6. Once scanned, the app will connect to the device. Next, you will need to name your network and set a password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. After entering the details, tap Create Network. The app will configure your Eero Pro 6, which may take a few minutes. Once setup is complete, the light will turn solid white. Now, you can add additional Eero devices for increased coverage if needed. Follow the same steps for each additional Eero unit you want to install. After setting up all devices, test your internet connection through the app. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure optimal performance. You're now ready to enjoy your new Eero Pro 6 network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.